top stories. NPP MLA, 6 others gunned down by suspected NACN militants in Arunachal Pradesh. PCC President Gai Khangam rubbishes exit poll results, says Congress could storm to power. And decks cleared for counting of vote for Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. 7 people, including sitting MLA from National People's Party, Tirong Abo, were shot dead by unknown assailants in Arunachal Pradesh today. The attack took place in the Bongapani area of Tirap district. Tirong Abo was a sitting MLA from the Khonsa West Assembly seat and was seeking re-election in the ongoing state assembly polls in Arunachal Pradesh. Militants belonging to the National Socialist Council of Nagaland NACN are suspected to be behind the attack. Abo's personal security officer is said to be in critical condition. Reacting to the tragedy, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma tweeted, "The NPP is extremely shocked and saddened by the news of the death of its MLA Sri Tirong Abo and his family. We condemn the brutal attack and urge Rajnath Singh and PMO India to take action against those responsible for such attack." Talking to reporters on the sideline of the Anti-Terrorism Day observance function in Imphal today, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam rejected the recent exit poll results, saying it should not be trusted. Congress stormed to power in 2004 when such exit polls results claimed coming back of BJP to power. He mentioned and said that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister at the centre. Gai Khangam was confident that a non-BJP government would be formed at the centre this time. The final and 7th phase of Lok Sabha polls was held on May 19th. Counting of vote takes place on May 23rd. The PCC president was hopeful that Congress may not be able to form the next government by all alone, but a new non-BJP government could come up at the centre after forcing alliance with like-minded parties by the Congress. Gai Khangam, who is also a CWC member, further expressed dismay over the alleged inability of the government and election commission to make any clarification on the seizure of EVMs. They have failed to point out the flaws, he said, adding that the Congress may be defeated in the outer parliamentary seat because of the election malpractices committed by Naga People's Front NPF and BJP. Gai Khangam, however, expressed confidence that Congress will come out victorious in the inner seat, though CPI is expected to get sizable votes.
Interference as if it is fair. No sponsor company call BJP candidates Naron sponsor of woman. NPA candidates Naron sponsor of woman. Assume in such cases call Leva asking law as a law later, like a tea.
The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today observed the 28th Anti-Terrorism Day, remembering former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on his death anniversary. The day is observed across the country. The function was held at the Congress Bhavan, Imphal. PCC President Gai Khangam, Congress Legislature Party CLP leader O. Ibobi and several Congress leaders attended the event. On the occasion, O. Ibobi stated that Rajiv Gandhi was a peace-loving leader who worked hard towards maintaining peaceful coexistence with neighboring countries. He said Gandhi was brutally assassinated when he tried to bring peace and harmony in a neighboring country. Besides condemning his assassination by all Indians, Anti-Terrorism Day is observed to show gratitude to the late leader for his immense contribution made for the country.
Ngasina chahi kunipan gi mamang na thokhiba haibutare yamna tamthiba mongda hatkhiba namit adubu bharot basi khudingmakna condemn tauba the namit asibu ningsingduna terrorism gi mayokta leiba haibutare एंटी टेररिज्म डे हाइदना भारत की प्रजा मिपुम खुदिमंगना कोई ngasi asi observe tawjabani aduna koi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na sinbi langwiduna koi su masigi observation asi laikhiraba martyr haibatare mama leibak ki tongta da kathokiba sigumba hanagi prime minister oibiramba sigi mafamda koi tawiman khangwa utpa du mahangna pamjaramba pandam sing adu koi thabak oina pangthoknanaba haina koi congress karmi khudimakna magi mafamda ngamjaba hai lai amta orsu koi katuna koi observation ji tawjabani haiduna smaina ai thamjage.
With the rest of the country, Manipur today observed Anti-Terrorism Day. Speaking at the observance function organized by the Manipur government at 1st MR Manipur Rifle Banquet Hall, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Siam said that life is the most precious thing in the world and urged that the people should stop using life as a tool for act of terrorism. The program was kicked off with the welcome song by artist of Sri Sri Balmukunda Dev Government Music College. K. Siam recalled how former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi died in a suicide bomber's attack in Tamil Nadu in 1991. The day is observed as Anti-Terrorism Day every year to stand against terrorism. He said that people must not waste their lives to cause harm to mankind. This day marks the day when everyone unites together and stands against terrorism. The minister then expressed unhappiness over absenteeism maintained by government employees at any major event.
Victory Nyanda Masumatones, Tatanava, Adu Masi, Mayota, Equi, Nyana lay had to do, the Kangan of the Kangadu, Hariba, anti-terrorism, yes, not the Fox Luina, Puri Havasi, Koikudimuna, Kamar Wapuni, Aduna, terrorism, Kenava, Manipur Sarkar, the Ladiva, Akui Kapana, Kenavero, Aduna, people's awareness. The knee hat another honor the Tariba home, Mamsi, the Masi Yam awareness, being never give, died a lonely never give, Amagama cooperation, inner navigate, the Kanagi, a day, Adumakudum Salvador, Sumba, Palan Forum Panto Persona, a day equator, only in no Amahapi have state, Yamna Sumla Wapun.
At the event, all participants took oath to unite together and stand against those who work against the mankind. Forest Minister T.A. Siam Kumar said that terrorism is a big hurdle to development and progress of a country.
Aku itu asal berkait dengan login dan teroris itu baru pun namanya ada di kota itu login dan saya pun cendera sebab teroris itu aku fokus asal ikut kudingi aku isyarat yang i wakil sedaya mungkin teroris ada di tempat ada wakil ada pun sebab tu pun cendera macam tu nampak.
Decks have been cleared for counting of vote for the two-phase 17th Lok Sabha election held in Inner and Outer Manipur parliamentary constituencies. Votes will be counted at concerned district headquarters of Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur. It may be mentioned that 11 candidates have contested the Lok Sabha election held in April. O. Navakishore of Congress, Dr. M. Nara of Communist Party of India, Dr. R.K. Ranjan of Bharatiya Janata Party, R.K. Anand of North East India Development Party, O. Jugindra of Manipur People's Party, G. Ton Sana of Manipur Democratic People's Front, S. Nandeshwar of Rashtriya Lok Samata Party, Muhammad Elias Khan, M. Totom Sana, R.K. Somendro Elias Kaiku and W. Pobitro, both independents have contested for this seat of inner seat. On the other hand, all preparations have been made for counting of votes for 28 constituencies of Outer Manipur at the respective district headquarters. 8 candidates, Angam Karangkom of Nationalist Congress Party, K. James of Congress, Thangmilin Kipgen of National People's Party, Dr. Lorho S. Faze of Naga People's Front, Benjamin Mate of Bharatiya Janata Party, Asang Kasar of Northeast India Development Party, Hangkhan Pao Taitul of Janata Dal United and independent candidate Laikhan Kaipu have contested for the Outer Manipur parliamentary seat. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising Nambol Bishnupur District, Manipur 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, rupees 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, rupees 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly rupees 250, half yearly rupees 1500, quarterly rupees 750, yearly rupees 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Admissions open for Modi University, Laxmangarh, Rajasthan. School of Architecture and Town Planning, School of Design, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Sciences, School of Liberal Arts, School of Management Studies, School of Legal Studies. 53% scholarship for Nordist students. For details, please contact Career Info Solution, New Chekon Road, near Bazaar, India, 841-3976-991. For more details, please visit our website www.modiuniversity.ac.in. Modi University, a leading women's university.
Hey, Bima, exam pass to bugi haraugi di later no unga pami du karigino.
Pamoyage school puna taminradi I like tamatoge.
Ay ay ma amtang ako. Nangbu koi ibim ga lairik punna taminaba tanbene.
I science stream pame. Aduga I ichan to mina art stream. Aduga Manipur science ka arts ka pulap tamina bayaba afaba school amata sulaite. Ako ichan to mina ay pulap samina nindana tawrine bacho.
Hey, karigino na hey, no yaduyang wari duba. Ha. Noy ani punna taminaba yaba school ni na ay nathiba salurisa. Imphal Airport manakta leiba changangai usikondane. Advanced School of Arts and Science haidana malingkhaledana. Haribi school is the MIL gi subject khudimak loina tamba yare. Aduisu matakta tha ahum khudingi free medical checkup.
Hey, nangbu aduyam phaba schoolam phangaga nacha ani gi form loruk tridi karigino.
Taso oisu apam mina ti kai dorage. Say form.
Lori in he.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising amachapad marifom do ki hona chai kontramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Infal Center mahangjare TV am phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badong gi khangna chana ba single powers tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Welcome back after the break. In a case of domestic violence, 2 girls from Maryland village of Tengnopal, Chandra district, who were working as domestic helpers at Little Birds Care School near City Hospital, Chingmairong, Deolalin in Imphal, were physically assaulted allegedly by the owner of this school named Romeo Koireng and his younger brother Kamtheng Koireng on May 20th. The incident happened around 6:30 a.m. at this school. It is also said that Kamtheng Koireng is a constable in Manipur Police, presently posted at Lumphel Police Station. Talking to media persons, the victim Alfonso Singlai is 23 years, daughter of Augustine Chinglai, said that the school owner was asking for his wife Lydia when she was about to cook dinner in the kitchen, and when his wife did not respond to his call, the accused came rushing to the kitchen and started to abuse and physically assaulted her, saying that she was useless. The family of the victim has drawn the attention of the concerned authorities to look into the matter and deliver justice. Meanwhile, in this regard, the victim's family has lodged a complaint with Imphal Police Station, where an FIR has been filed over the incident.
Koireng jati ki anauba president jo khankat le haye aduna koireng jati na achumba thiba achumba jati mo oirabdi mak president oiningai mabu atrai pidabana phaye hana khalle haibdi sigumba mara leiba sigumba badnam leiba mi bo president karam tawder piraga jati do guideline tawga habrane jati do bo guideline tawba yagadro ma FRI Imphal Police ta aduna mahbu yarabdi Koireng President digi lothok piu.
Akoi si Pambaganda Mayam Matokwa Malerame Mayam Masida Koina Waris Haraga as I Dikaso Kangdina Hojiki Romes Haiba or Romeo Haiba Ozashi Mana Koichanaku the Tong Tang on a Tinjing Reva. Ado Akoi Pamjima Sotok Pidre, Ado Mayam Maduna and Nanjo Mila di. Ngaktan thorawana haina hairu darka dade sinema na hairasi adigi ngak phamso phamde thoraga noi kari pambra haina haira kre ado akoina auja akoi gaso pamanate ngarangi thodok thogi badu wari batai kitang sana sena lakchabani haina hairi darka daga ai yum sida noi sida kana pham haibra noi bo hojik mi kausela phude wa haibra haina haigre Adi akoina para puhalo haina akoi pham
noi madam do leita bra hin haire eba aduda aisina leite hin hai sar leite hin haiba aduga hekta changraga asmaina paiba haukre aduga kaino gas ki ai gas se kaino lekhat laga hujiki gas mathak kudi on tawdri bako aduga chak thanga ke tawri ganjida ai na insang malib du su loin ma asmaina loin haidok pi eba aduga I gas stocks to the I ngak pyre hector number, do the ice in a servant tauno could say as man ngak to ever. I do the mocha I could dance a pyre in mass and I want into the I see two labor guns here. And the smell high police about the PM was smelling them and hung ever to the people who with the low later and about the high. Aduh baca sih semua itu lagi. Aku nak pun mana pun mana ni aku tu. Aduh ada baca sih tu semai. Tapi apa orang itu tapi apa buku tahu kan? Aduh kerja iwan apa ngam terberaka. Oh itu loh itu aku iwan saya apa pun tak ada. Main pas saya tu masuk tu apa pun lah pun gini na. Hana tapi apa tu? Manga tu minaba tu moi kan lagi minaba ubah. Duda, adu di mi pau da tab ni to. Adu gumba sule to. Ako ne de posa da ina bisi pura sa krengen da. Pura sab de to. To piya mama da pura de. Kram police ta mama.
Students have been irked by failure of the authorities to declare results for the first semester of Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science examinations 2018-2019 for 5 colleges under Dhanmanjari University. The result of the DM Science and GP College are yet to be declared. But second semester exam has been scheduled for 23rd May. The students of DM University have threatened to take up agitation to boycott the exam if the results are not declared at the earliest.
Matam da haidok pira matung da akoi second semester gi exam routine se yam da at least 1 week ki matung da exam se to haninge hama haiba maram di akoi exam se haidok matung da akoi gi feedback khada honaning bagi akoi na kai subject ta soli bano kholi bano haiba do akoi gi honaning bagi ta ja matam pibi de
EGM Manipur and Socio-Economic and Environment Development Society jointly organized a one-day village level awareness program ahead of the observance of World Biodiversity Day today. The theme of this year's edition of World Biodiversity Day is Our Biodiversity, Our Food, Our Health. The awareness program was held in association with Directorate of Environment at Sahaipung Village, Kangpopi District. Speaking on the occasion, President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju Bijoy Kakching Tabam said that felling of trees pose threat to the survival of various species of animals, including human beings. He appealed to the villagers to take a firm decision on conservation and protection of the surrounding natural environment.
Sanga Pambi Leniba Hingba Ziba Kudimak Sing Sigi Nuain Lainanaba Dumba Yak Kaya Mimunda Lakpa Dumba Toramami Makada Smina Equi Leniba Toy Pamba Equation Hingapukanda Massima Draka Lay and Kantamina begin with a Maitare. Masi Numitsa Hayingsi, PTV Punk Kudimakta, Amari United Nations Ski, Adum body agencies in the Pamina Division of the way. Next year, Kato Sigi. Among say the Kagi, Pandan Tonki, Kagi, Hungry, Matang say all of the Kato heavy declaration of the Hayingsim.
The village chief said that the village authority has taken a decision to take up a plantation drive along the roadsides of the village and inside as well. He also sought help from the concerned authorities for successful implementation of the program. The village chief also expressed his desire to upgrade the village into a model village.
Lamakta sang banatragasu sumaina hingmin na kasi pwede welcome to nga si Pausi corporate war high revenue na ama corporation pinaraga saukap ng bida kari lay mana khangba ay na khangba uthok min naraga sumaina chat min na kasi koi tumgi ahan laman sing dasu koi su yan taragani.
Braja Kumar further appealed to the residents to take up zoning for settlement, housing, agriculture and other development works like forestry. The 19th state level sub-junior and junior Wushu championship was held at Wushu Hall, Kumalampak Sports Complex today. President of Wushu Association of Manipur, Mayang Nambam Birmani said that Wushu was not so popular like judo, karate before. Even though many champions of karate were produced by the state, permission for affiliation to the India Karate Federation and Manipur Karate Association was not given, and hence the future of the players were not visible. So the Wushu Association in Manipur was formed in 1991. Many players have succeeded in national and international championships since 1991.
Inkalali ba pikli bangang sing sanaroi sing ase mamangi 2020 Tokyo Games Lakador Beseda Mamangi Kwiki Kanoda Lamjenda Kwe Mighty Hore Olympic the Yahodre Adubu Lakada Matangi Olympic that is Hoidra Yogani Manipur Olympian Mayamamu Putokane Haibiga Sama Tamzabara Luinana Championship was Pangtok Sabani Atopake Kanmanatra Sports Gangansi you can't wait on the Kalago Ibikiba Adugumba Apapa President Topi Rekagani Secretary Topi Rekagani I know Honazariba Olympian Mayamam Putopa Olympic Games medalist Putopa the Soidra Mating Pang Birkan Habase Nasi Tamzaraga Ibida Logzage.
Let's take a short break once again.
Pabiyu, Nainabiyu, Tanabiyu, Lamjingba Times. Makal Matelgi Kudol, Maru Oiba Pau, local, national, international, Sanabungi Paugdam, Mahiru Singinamag, Maitai Mayekda, Akanana, Mapung Faraba Pau Singba, Lamjingba Times, Lamjingba Times. Isa Isa ki pau se thadariba hawker singda haibiraga lobiba yaragani.
Welcome back. Development Commissioner Advisor Professor A.K. Murgal from the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME called on Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Chauna Men in Namsai district regarding the development of agri-clusters in the district and in the state and to elevate the average income of farmers up to Rs 1 lakh per annum. Naga People's Front NPF President Suraj Ledjesu revoked suspension of 19 office bearers of the party's Mon unit with immediate effect. In a release, Ledjesu said the suspension order against the 19 party office bearers was revoked on the recommendation of the NPF legislature and central office bearer in charge of Mon division. The Meghalaya High Court is satisfied with the restoration of the normal functioning of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, NEGRIMS, especially in the cardiology department. The Meghalaya High Court ruled that both the cardiology department and other authorities at the helm of affairs will remain coordinated. The rotavirus vaccination is set to be introduced in the state of Mizoram by July 2019. According to the World Health Organization, rotavirus is the most common cause of severe diarrheal disease in young children throughout the world. The Arunachal Pradesh Women's Welfare Society APWWS loaded Capital Complex Superintendent of Police Tume Amo and his team of police personnel for promptly solving the infamous Hawa Camp murder case. A bullet-ridden and charred body of a lady identified as Aleb Basumatari, a resident of Milanpur village in Biswanath district of Assam, was recovered from the Hawa Camp area in Kimin on May 16. In a furious response to the proposal from the Geneva-based Human Rights Council HRC on the alleged violations in Jammu and Kashmir, in India informed the United Nations body that it will no longer entertain any communication with the HRC's special reporters on its report. Among the 119 military, police and civilian personnel, an Indian peacekeeper will also be honored with a prestigious UN medal this year for courage and sacrifice in the line of duty. Police officer Jitendra Kumar met this supreme sacrifice while serving in the UN Organization Stabilization Mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. State-owned oil marketing companies OMCs increased prices of petrol and diesel across the country a day after the last phase of Lok Sabha polls concluded. This could mark the beginning of a rising trend in fuel prices as they are once again associated to the rising global oil prices. North Korea announced the United States as a gangster country for seizing one of its cargo ships and urged UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to take urgent measures to contribute to stabilizing the Korean peninsula. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Decks clear for BotCon on May 23. Eviction drive launched at Rims Road. JSA recalls displacement. The People's Chronicle. BJP prepares for D-Day. Mixed mood at Congress headquarters. Poll parties in the state hopeful of winning. Central team moves export of pineapple in powder form. Condition of some government schools quite serious, says Suk. Fall army worm attacks crops in Senapati, Kangpokpi. All India Federation of University and College Teachers Organization petitions government. UGC over unfair pay scale. Imphal Free Press. Traffic police evict encroachers along Rims Road. Public entry inside courtrooms and premises to be restricted. The Morning Bell. No harm to paddy due to fall army worm, says CAU Vice Chancellor. Counter for Outer Manipur PS to be held at 10 centers. 36 government schools drew a blank at HSLC exam 2019. Suk inspects government schools in Imphal. Dina confer Wisdom of Women Excellence Award. Manipur Mail. Lawyers protest violence in court premises. Talks between leaders begin as D-Day clauses in. Preparation for counting of votes. Conrad assures protection of all citizens against HNLC.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. NPP MLA 6 others gunned down by suspected NACN militants in Arunachal Pradesh. PCC President Gaikhangam rubbishes exit poll results, says Congress could storm to power. And decks clear for counting of vote for Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.